Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix apps not resizing correctly after unfolding on your Motorola Razr Fold. The first thing to try is to go to the settings and go to Foldable Display in the settings. Then you'll find app display size. And as you can see, some of the apps, well, it's best to set it to all apps right here at the top. And then select apps that you want to modify settings of. And you can see, for example, let's say Chrome, I could set it to app default, which, well, depends on the app, what it'll mean. I can set it to full screen, so it'll resize to the full screen. I could also do half screen, 19:6. Or 4:3. If I, for example, set it to 19:6, then if I go to the Chrome app, it'll look normally on the outside screen, but on the inner screen, it will look a bit weird. And that's what the issue may be. If that issue occurs, then you may want to just set it to full screen in the settings. If it didn't help, then try restarting your device by pressing on power and volume app button, just like that, power and volume app. Then it'll show you this menu. You can click on restart and wait for a moment. The phone will turn on soon. And once it turns on, the issue should be fixed. If it didn't help, then remember that not all of the apps will work in the full screen mode. Some of the apps are just fixed to a certain resolution, and in that case there's not really much you can do about it. Well, that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.